guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to do today is so adorable, okay? And you can make this with a Cricut or without a Cricut. So if you do not have a Cricut, you can still do this adorable DIY for Christmas. So if you still don't want to watch this, I hate to see you go, and I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for a wonderful Christmas DIY, okay? So I have Design Space already loaded here on my computer. We're going to go to the circle with the plus for new project, okay? Going to click on that, and I'm going to go to upload right here on the bottom. And right here, and this image comes in as a PNG automatically. You don't have to change it, which is great for the Cricut, and it's also great if you don't have the Cricut, okay? So I'm going to click on it. It will put a green box around it. Then we're going to go to the right bottom corner, insert images. And you could do so much more with this if you wanted, okay? And here it is. Let me zoom in. I think this is adorable. Let me show you just how gorgeous that is. Is that not beautiful? Okay. And you could cut it out oval if you wanted. You could do so much. I'm going to leave it just like this. This is so beginner friendly. It's not even funny. Okay. So I'm going to go up here to this lock, out from size. I'm going to unlock it. And you can make yours any size. I have a glass tall container from the Dollar Tree, okay? That's what I'm going to put this on. So I decided I wanted mine to be 6.0 wide by 6.0 in height, okay? And if you look over here in the layers column, it's a cut then print, and that is what we want. Now let me show you how I got this to my computer really quickly. Okay, all I did was go to this picture right here, and I have a Mac, and out on here I have 3 dots. You click on that and you hit download image. It downloads it to your computer. It is that simple, okay? So that's how I got the image here, okay? Then we're just going to go to make it, right top corner. I'm going to be using the Avery sticker labels. You could probably use the clear. I just have the white, that little Avery shipping labels, I should say. I'm going to go to continue right bottom corner. I'm going to send it to the printer. I'm going to leave my bleed on. At this point, if you don't have the Cricut, you would just print it out and then just cut it out, okay? Now, like I said, you might have to resize this when it comes in on your computer. I don't know, but you could even frame this and put it on like just a picture frame of from the Dollar Tree. Would be gorgeous. And I have my Cricut set to vinyl. Okay, so the next time you see me, we will be cutting this gorgeous picture out. Okay, here is our adorable picture. I think that is beautiful. Okay, I love that. Okay, and then I'm just using the clear, not the clear, you could use the clear, but I'm just using the white 8.5 by 11 Avery shipping labels. I picked them up at Walmart, okay? And then here is my Dollar Tree glass that I have. And you have to clean this off with alcohol before you can apply anything on it. I'm also going to be using some apple barrel gloss paint and some daubers, and I have some fairy lights. I think this is going to be beyond adorable. I am so excited. So let's cut this out, okay? I have a standard grit mat, and I'm just going to put this right on here and insert this with the blinking arrow, and then hit the blinking C to cut. And when you insert these Avery shipping labels, in mine I have to put them upside down with the writing facing up, so they'll print on this. But what gave me the idea for this is I was watching QVC over the weekend, Dangerous, and they had Valerie Parr Hill on there. I love her. and she had this big square piece of glass. It was about that wide, and she had a scene on the top of that with fairy lights down in there. And I told my husband, I said, oh my gosh, I can do something similar to that. And it was $30-some, okay? So this is not costing near $30, so I'm so excited. So it's cutting this out right now. It's going to go right around that square. So simple. Okay, then you hit the blinking arrow to eject. Okay, and this has made a sticker. We're just going to peel this off. Just like this. And we have this adorable sticker, okay? Then all you have to do, you could put it down to the bottom. You can put it really anywhere you want. I think I'm going to put mine towards the middle. Like I said, you could put it more towards the bottom if you wanted. You could do this with the vinyl if you wanted. The vinyl doesn't give you as much forgiveness as this will. Okay. And that is what we're getting so far. Is that not adorable? But we are not through. Oh no. Okay. So now I want to take my white gloss apple barrel paint, and I'm going to pour it out. And I'm going to take this dauber, get it on here, pounce some of it off. And we are just going to start painting this glass just like this. And it's going to give it like a snowy look. I think this is going to be so cute, okay? And that is what we're getting so far. I hope you can see. Is that not beautiful, okay? Just be really careful when you come right down by this. Okay, and for time purposes, I won't have you watch me paint the whole thing, so I'm going to go away and paint this, and when I get it finished, I'll be back and we'll take a look at it. Well, here it is. I love it. And I also took some Mod Podge and put right down on this and sprinkled some of that extra fine glitter. It is so pretty. You can't see, it has the fairy lights in, but it's so bright in here, it's not coming through. But it is so pretty all the way around. And like I said, if you wanted, you could cut this out in an oval. You could take that slick paint and embellish these trees to make them really pop. There is so much you could do with this. It is not even funny. Hopefully it's picking it up. I love it. It is such an easy way to decorate your house. And like I said, you don't have to have a Cricut to make this. This would be a wonderful gift. You can definitely do it under 5 minutes. And it's fun to do. And you could put, if you don't want to put this, you could put a Christmas tree. You could put snowmen. You could put Santa Claus. The sky is the limit with what you could do. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for a Dollar Tree Christmas DIY. I cannot wait. So until next time. Bye, guys.